Good.
Okay. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do, so here's the idea. We're going to talk about how would we go through the process of identifying facts and dimensions within a given set of data that we might get from an external source. In this case, it's going to be a CSV that we've gotten from FBI crime data that we're going to work with later on. And in this data, we're going to identify first, of this data, what is measurable, i.e. what would we put inside of facts to build a fact table, and then which of it might fit in a dimension. Now, our target is to either do a star or even a snowflake schema, which we said would be a hierarchy here if we had to. So it's either going to be a star or a snowflake. Okay, now, the typical design is in the middle we have a table that is going to have all of the measurable facts that we identify, okay, from this data. Okay, from that, once we identify the dimensions, we will build a relationship that logically says, of these inside this table, in the fact table, are going to be sets of foreign keys that are going to point to primary keys in this dimension. So we're going to have a foreign key to primary key relationship between a fact and a dimension table. I'll drill down this in detail once we get to the ETL process. So first we're going to identify that, then we're going to talk about how we effectively implement a model using a star or snowflake schema.